very far right now on Soup Surf. I don't know how I got this far.
I'm very far.
EJ is also very far.
Well, not very far right now.
He's also going very slow.
I'm not going very far right now, but I got gold.
He did. He got gold in the top run. I'm hoping I will get diamond after this because I've beaten both of my high scores, 11 million and 14 million. And those were both boosted by times I have died. So I don't know if this is going to boost me to 20 million. So it's 8:52, so I've been playing for about 4 hours straight.
No.
Yeah.
Not
5 hours. 5 hours because I played around 5. I played around 7. And I played like 8 to 12. Wait, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Mission 27.
Seriously? Already? Correction, I've been playing for 8 hours. I mean, not straight, but if you combine them all together, I mean, I guess it's kind of straight. And the lighting is super bad right now, so get away from me, Frankenstein. I'm running low on hoverboards. I know you're like, you have like 1,000 something. That was not a crap. I know what you're saying. OJ, you have like 1,109. Well, I'm not used to having that many boards. I usually have like 1,500. Really, EJ? God. Turn it down, kid. Nobody likes you, kid, from the audience. Nobody likes you.
Boy,
I drink.
How come yours is so dark?
I have almost 16 million points and about 100 or almost 110,000 points.
Oh, how come yours is so dark? Look at mine.
I don't know. I have lighting.
Your lighting's trash.
You're trash. Seriously, you don't even have lighting though.
Yeah, yours is just like dark. Mine's bright.
That was trash. Anyway, EJ.
What?
Guess what?
What?
I drink beast juice.
Wow.
What do you
I'm
drink?
not even gonna respond to that.
What do you drink, EJ?
I'm not even gonna respond to that.
So I found this long lost video from about 3 years ago, and I was playing I was playing Subway Surfers, and I happened to be recording, but no face cam, and I'm like, I drink beast juice. What do you drink, EJ? Long pause until he goes, I drink butt juice. Just why, EJ? Why you gotta be like?
I was dumb.
Yes, and you still are.
Lying. Not lying.
Yes, I know you.
Not
Okay, maybe not as dumb. Yeah, sure.
Ha! That's really dumb. I don't even know why I did that.
Yeah. 10, 9, 8.
I just ran into
7.
a barrier.
A barrier? No, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. This is 5. Wait, is that 5? Whatever. 4. 4.5.
Is there something for Sunday, like Super Sunday or something?
No, it's just 40 weekend. 3.
Wait, it's still 40 weekend?
2, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
1. Boom! We're at 16 million points. Ooh la la. I can't play and steady a face cam at the same time. But, Roxy. La 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 la, getting magnet and jetpack. Alright, well, I'm gonna see you guys when I probably die. Because the next save me is gonna cost me 16 keys. And I'm screwed. I just died. I just died. That is the end of the run. Uno mystery box.
Did you die on purpose?
No! I was trying to jump and then I hit in the train. I actually wanted to keep going for a while. 2. 3. 4. 5. Ooh, silver mystery box. Come on, dude. 6. Oh crap. 7. 8. Count with me, everybody. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. Ooh. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. Oh my god. 22. If I had a jackpot here, that'd be great. 23. 24. 25. Oh my gosh. 26. 27. 28. You seeing this, CJ? 29. 30. 31. 32. 33. 34. Oh my gosh. 22 million. 22 million points. I don't want to...
Did you take a screenshot?
2 actually. Holy crap. Now my high score says 22.7 million. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Alright. That's the most coins I've ever collected in one run, so I'm going to watch a video to get 3,000 more. Probably. Oh wow. It's the best day of my life.
No, it's not.
Shut up, Peach.